Dysgraphia is a neurological disorder of written expression that impairs writing ability and fine motor skill. The term comes from the Greek words dys, impaired, and graphia, making letter forms by hand. It is a learning disability that affects children and adults. Dysgraphia interferes with practically all aspects of the writing process, including spelling, legibility, word spacing and sizing, and expression. It is estimated that 5 to 20% of all children have some types of writing deficit like dysgraphia. Dysgraphia is commonly thought of the following two ways. Acquired dysgraphia is associated with brain injury, disease, or degenerative conditions that cause the individual, typically as an adult, to lose previously acquired skills in writing. The second type of dysgraphia is developmental dysgraphia, refers to difficulties in acquiring writing skill. This type of dysgraphia is most commonly considered in childhood. The causes for developmental dysgraphia are unknown. Some subtypes of dysgraphia are motor dysgraphia, lack of fine motor coordination and visual perception. And spatial dysgraphia is likely related to problem of spatial perception. And linguistic dysgraphia impacts the language processing skills required in the writing process. Dysgraphia is typically diagnosed by a licensed psychologist who specializes in learning disorders, though it may involve a team of specialists including occupational therapists, special education teachers, and educational psychologists. Dysgraphia is typically identified as a child learns to write in trouble forming letters, shapes, tight or awkward or painful grip on a pencil, difficulty following a line or staying within margins, difficulty organizing or articulating thoughts on paper. Children with dysgraphia have trouble with sentence structure or following rules of grammar when writing but not when speaking. They find difficulty in pronouncing difference between spoken and written understanding of a topic. Treatment for dysgraphia varies and may include treatment for motor disorders to help control writing movements. Other treatment may address impaired memory or other neurological problems. Some physicians recommended that individuals with dysgraphia use computers to avoid the problems of handwriting. Parents and teachers need to understand that having dysgraphia doesn't mean a child isn't smart, and when kids with dysgraphia struggle with writing, they are not being lazy, but they do need extra help and support to improve. One of the main signs of dysgraphia is messy handwriting. These are some of the key handwriting skills kids may struggle with: forming letters, spacing letters correctly on the page, writing in a straight line, making letters the correct size. They struggle with holding paper with one hand while writing with the other, holding and controlling a pencil or other writing tool, putting the right amount of pressure on the paper with a writing tool, maintaining the right arm position and posture for writing are difficult for them. Here are some of the classroom materials and routine to help the children with dysgraphia. Provide pencil grip or different types of pens. Provide handouts so there are less to copy from the board. Provide typed copies of classroom notes or lesson outlines to help the student take notes. You can also help them by providing extra time to take notes and copy materials. Allow the student to use an audio recorder or a laptop in class. Provide paper with different color or raised lines to help form letters in the right space. can help them also by providing graph paper or line paper to be used sideways to help line up math problems. Provide paper assignment with name, date, title, etc. already filled in. Provide information needed to start writing assignment early. Teachers can help the students also by break writing assignments into steps. Provide a rubric and explain how each step is graded. Give examples of finished assignments. Offer alternative to written responses like giving an oral report. For older students, teachers can adapt test format to cut down on handwriting. For example, use circle the answer or fill in the blanket questions. Grade based on what the students knows, but not on handwriting or spelling. Use a scribe or speech to text so that student can detect test answers and writing. To help with children with dysgraphia, teacher can allow a proofreader to look for errors and provide extended time on test. If he or she need a quiet room during the test, you can provide also that. Handwriting tools can help people who have trouble with motor skills. For example, a pencil grip, a keyboard and touch screens also. Dictation, speech text and word prediction, spell check and grammar check. These gadgets can help children with dysgraphia. Key takeaways. When kids with dysgraphia struggle with writing, it's not because they are lazy or not smart. Kids can improve writing with extra help like occupational therapy or accommodations. Getting a full evaluation can help you better understand your child's challenges and strengths.